Bob from Bob's Workshop. In this video, I'd like to show you a few more cars from my personal collection. These are made by Minichamps, and they are Mercedes-Benz station wagons in 1/43rd scale. These are some of my favorites. I hope you like them too. So, here they are.
There is now a Mercedes-Benz station wagon. As different from other wagons as Mercedes-Benz cars are different from other cars. You see, Mercedes believes that a Mercedes-Benz station wagon should behave like a Mercedes-Benz car. The 300 TD diesel station wagon. Mercedes-Benz. Engineered like no other car in the world.
The Mercedes-Benz Museum is full of historically significant cars and trucks. Some, like several racing vehicles, are unrestored because their condition is part of their story. But most of the collection looks brand new. This is the Mercedes-Benz W123 chassis in station wagon form. It's generally believed to be the best car ever made by anyone on any planet in any universe. It's beautiful, it's practical, and it's reliable. So, what's not to love? In an earlier video, I mentioned that I couldn't decide between this wagon or the coupe as my official dream car. Well, now I'm sure. It's this one. Minichamps offers a vast variety of models in various scales, but this is my favorite size, 1/43rd scale. I also collect O-gauge trains, and these are close enough proportionally to work with Lionel products. This is one of those rare cars that looks good from any angle. The styling definitely places it in the 1970s or 80s, yet somehow the design is classic yet fresh, and nearly timeless, all at once. In general, I love red cars, but I sometimes question the color's use on larger sedans or station wagons. It tends to remind me of fire department vehicles, which is weird because I actually love fire trucks. I'm just not sure about cars, though. That being said, this Mercedes wagon looks awesome in bright crimson. The silver window trim is a nice contrast to the bright red. On this model, the hubcaps are color matched to the rest of the body panels. The silver wagon before this and the blue one that follows both feature replica alloy rims in silver. A lot of model building companies would offer only one style of wheel, but Minichamps really pays extra attention to small details like that. Now we get to my favorite of all, in what's close to my favorite possible combination of exterior and interior colors. This one has dark blue paint with black on the inside. Swap the black interior for cream-colored leather, and you have my dream car. Out of all the cars ever made, I would pick a brand new one of these to use as my everyday driver, and I know it would last me for the rest of my life. At which point, one of my kids would get it and drive it for another 200,000 miles or so. These wagons were not only made for the upper middle class, they're also workhorses. Throughout Europe and the rest of the world, they're used as taxis, ambulances, and even police cars, like this one. If you collect 1/43rd scale die-cast models, then you probably already know about Minichamps. If you didn't know, well then I hope this video helped to convey the level of detail and quality that you can expect if you buy from Minichamps. I like them. I like them a lot. If you liked this video, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.